It's Sunday afternoon and I was in the kitchen making minestrone soup. It's been a busy weekend. We've done lots of things and so we're all kind of tired. But I came out to the garden to pick kale. We've had kale growing out here for probably 10 months. And forever I have been looking at clover. Every time I pass a bunch of clover, all my life I've stopped and looked for a 4-leaf clover. And lo and behold, look what I found today. Oh my God, a 4-leaf clover. Yee-hee! I don't even want to pick it. I just want to keep it in the bucket, in the barrel. Wow, I'm 66 and I found my first 4-leaf clover.